today, like I can't be arsed, so I've come down to the beach and I'm going to just do a nice quick like power up energizing breathwork session just to get me out of that funk. In a better frame of mind to start with that. So it goes a little bit like this, inhaling up, and on the exhale we just do like a pumping action. So do about 20 rounds of this. This will really get your circulation pumping around. You'll feel the benefits straight away. So last inhale up, and then just let it all go, and then just let that sit for a while. And you can already start. I can already start feeling the tingling sensation down my arms, my hands, my fingers. So I know that everything's starting to move now in the right direction. So that's a really good way to. That's a really good little breathwork session to start your day if you're feeling a little bit sluggish and you just want to, get going.